Okay, so we are back with another video, and I'm just gonna get straight into it. I am doing box braids on my niece's hair. Now as you can see, she has some thick, gorgeous natural hair, and I'm gonna be doing some box braids on her. Now hers are gonna be medium length, and I am just sectioning off her hair. As I said, there is medium length and there are medium box braids, I would say. So I'm just sectioning off her hair, and I'm going in with a rat tail comb, and I'm just going to create the boxes for each individual braid. Once I have sectioned out the portion of hair that I want to use, I am going to section off the remaining portion of hair so that it doesn't get into the way. Now this is extremely important if you have natural hair and if it is thick. I went in with the rat tail comb and I'm detangling the hair. Now I'm taking some gel. This I believe is called Red One hair gel or wax, and I'm going and applying it to the base of the hair and of course the edges, because we want those to look slick and smooth and sleek. And I'm putting the gel all throughout her hair. This is another important tip if you have thick natural hair. And I'm going back with the comb and I'm just smoothing out those baby hairs, and I'm again detangling her hair to make sure that there are no clumps or lumps or anything when I go to braid her hair. Now I'm taking a portion of hair, and another important tip when you're doing natural hair is that you want to make sure that the connector hair you're using is thick enough that your natural hair is not poking out, is not poking through, because you know you're gonna get frizzy, so you want to make sure that it is thick. And I know I didn't show it exactly particularly well in this video. This is the hair I'm using, by the way. This is Super Braid TZ. It is pre-stretched, pre-combed hair, which cuts down a lot of the time. But as I said, I don't think, well, I don't know, maybe you can see what I'm doing here, but I will put a card up above where I have a video which is more detailed on how I exactly do my box braids. But I separated her hair into three, and as you saw, I have three portions of her hair, the connector hair, and I'm just gonna braid that into it. You can go ahead, click the link up above and see a more detailed video on how I did this. But I'm just speeding through this portion here because it's basically just braiding the hair all the way down to the end of the hair. Let me just add, because somebody may ask, I use about 3 packs of this connector braiding here to do her entire head. You can see again, I'm going to do another braid so you can see. And y'all was being like this annoying hairdresser and having my niece pass me the hair. I mean, that's the least that she could do, right? Because I spent hours braiding her hair. But anyway, And my niece wanted some rods on the end so that she could have some curls, so I just applied the cold wave rods to the ends of her hair, dipped them in hot water for a few seconds. So she loved her hair, and I hope that you love this video as well. If you have not already, go ahead and give this video a massive thumbs up, and if you haven't already, click that red button and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you for another video. Until then, bye bye.